come swim with me. Swim with me like the fishes. You look so funny. Just said he's coming for you.
He's going to me?
Oh my god.
Hey, buddy.
Can you get a fucking replay of that? Oh my god.
The slow turnaround.
I was like, wait.
I had my Glock and I was like, oh, this is perfect time.
I fucking trusted you, Sody, and you let me down.
Whoa, what was awful?
I saw her. I'm not out there, I swear.
I've never played the game before, so what do you expect me to do?
What are you doing? Just
Hi, what?
get away from the
Oh.
door, what are you doing? Who's that?
What are you?
Yeah, you
are you?
better back up.
How am I supposed to make that jump?
I kind of assumed Sody was gonna come from a different way because he was doing the Batman music. I was like, well, he's
the
sneaking
tower.
up somewhere.
I thought he was coming into the tower and I was like, oh shit.
I wanted to do Jaws, but I was like, nah, too predictable.
Okay, I'm not even joking. It's running around. Don't even kill me.
Am I hearing his taunt or not? Because I feel like I am, but I'm not.
Yeah, I
He's
think I
jumping
hear that
around
too.
down there.
Did you fucking throw something at me?
Guys,
Not
I'm
me.
not tripping. He's
Because I went down a thing and a can showed up out of nowhere and I shot it and nothing
I
happened.
don't understand. I don't get it. Not Ryan. Sody, how'd you get out
Can
of
you?
that? I'm a
can't-
fucking cup. I'm
I
sitting
am
right.
stuck here.
I'm
Help
sitting right here.
me. Go
Hey.
on our team now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm the trader and I'm stuck in the trader room and I don't know how to get out.
Portal? Is there a portal?
Nope. I've clicked every button. It's like, oh, click this button if you want someone to burn. Click this button if you want to set up TNT. Click this button if you want to go to the nether. How did you shoot me through this? There's like 2 rows of door. Oh wait, did I kill you or did she kill you?
She killed me.
You can be together now.
it's that amazing. I'm pretty shy, you get it's that amazing. Yes, it's that amazing. Yes, it's that amazing. Yeah, my God, it's that amazing.
Edgar. Who is Edgar? This is Edgar.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got
Kill me,
it.
by the
Don't
way.
shoot me. I.
Oh my god!